Have you ever encountered issues such as a solder joint detachment, poor component contact, or material aging in R&D and manufacturing of electronic and semiconductor? This two-room thermal shock test chamber precisely solved the pain points of product reliability testing under extreme temperature changes. It features an upper and lower chill tank structure. During testing, samples are placed in the basket and switched between the two rooms in 10 seconds via the mechanical drive system, restoring the instantaneous impact of extreme temperature changes. It fully complies with the IEC 60068-240. The combination of a cascade refrigeration system and high-precision PID temperature controls covers a wide temperature range. High temperature room, 6 degrees to 150 degrees. Low temperature room, -10 degrees to -55 degrees. Temperature fluctuation is controlled within plus or minus 0.5 degrees, ensuring accurate and traceable test data. It effectively detects the virus hidden risk caused by thermal shock, providing solid test support for improving product reliability. Feel free to leave us a comment if you want to know more about environmental test chamber.